Well, it's a day later and I've reached the hurry up and wait part of monetizing on YouTube. I did take some screenshots as I went along. It was a little bit fussy, probably took about 20 or 30 minutes of messing around backwards and forwards. But we finally got there and this is how it happened. So first thing I did was to go into YouTube Studio app. Scroll down the bottom, you've got that little earn button there. That'll take you to show you all the different ways you can earn money on YouTube. For anyone thinking about monetizing in the future, you've got this learn more button. That's definitely something worth spending some time on. It's got all the different bits of information, some videos. I actually learned that they've reduced the requirements for some forms of revenue earning, but I'm only particularly interested in the ad revenue, and that's still the same, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Anyway, back to the main earning page, you can see you've got the apply now button. So if you're ready to go, you can click on that and you can see the three main steps here you've got to go through to get monetized. The first one's pretty easy. It's just reviewing the terms and conditions, do all your normal terms and conditions reading and accept the bottom when you're ready. And that one's done. So the next one, and this is where I started to have some trouble, was signing up and syncing AdSense. So I actually had an AdSense account back in the day, but I cancelled it a long time ago. So I clicked on no. That gave me this QR code thingy that I had to scan with another device. That didn't work. I couldn't get it to do anything important. So then we tried another way. I'm going to blur all this here because it's got my private information, but going through a number of different ways, trying two-step verification and extra pass keys and all those kinds of things. And after it going round and round and round, even when it said it thought it worked, I just ended up with an error. So I tried again, but this time I clicked on yes, I do have an AdSense account. And the process started all over again, working through all of the different steps, all of the two-factor verification and the QR codes and blah, 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 blah. And I thought I might be getting somewhere on this one because I got an email that told me to get all the Google stuff on my phone, which I already had. But anyway, I clicked on the button and went through all of that. And sure enough, another error. So maybe third time's a charm. I clicked on I don't know and worked the process with that one. But sure enough, error number 3. So everything I'd read said use the app to sign up, but that wasn't working. I'd exhausted that, so I decided to try the PC desktop type version. And as you can see here, it's got similar options there. I went through all this and clicked on I don't know because at this point, I don't know. Sorry about the weird screen framing here, but just again blocking my personal information. So I picked my main account. And as much as the app couldn't find it, my desktop version found it straight away. So it found my AdSense account, agreed to some terms and conditions, entered some more personal information, and then gave me this promising message. That looked good. Going back to my main account here, it didn't show any different, but a cheeky refresh, and sure enough, we got a change in status for step 2. So that's great news. We're finally in progress for AdSense. I even got an email verifying that my AdSense account was under review. And now when I went back to the app and refreshed that, then there we go. The AdSense review was in progress. Now this says it's going to take a few days to a few weeks to review, but I came back a few hours later and look, my AdSense step is complete and my channel is being reviewed by YouTube now. So as I said at the beginning, we're at the hurry up and wait stage now. As you saw through there, it was a bit of a faff, but it could have been really quick and easy. It just didn't happen to be quick and easy for me. Others may have different experiences. Ended up being that the desktop version of the YouTube Studio was the way to do it. The app didn't seem to want to work for me. But anyway, we're there now, and I'll touch base with you again once we hear anything. Catch you later.